Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate account on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Now go to your profile and now tap on setting icon on top right corner. Now scroll down until you find delete account. So here it is, tap on it. Now here enter your password and tap on continue button. So here you will get the notification your account is deactivated. So your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. If you have verified an email address with Snapchat, we'll send you confirmation once your account has been deactivated. So in this way you can deactivate your account on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.